I thought I would demonstrate how this fits in my use what you got. But basically, I'm just cutting this down to a manageable so I can deal with it. And then all I'm doing is cutting that around that rim edge. And you just start a normal loop. You go up under and grab that thread. And pull it through. But anyway, you are just casting your way onto the shape and completely covering it. We are all the way around. I'm just going to do a couple more cast-ons. You do a slip stitch to join your section, and I use that slip stitch to make a hang. When you come back down, you do another slip stitch. So we're going to do a half double, go down in the next and do 2 double stitches in that hole, and then go down in the next hole, do another half double, and then do a slip stitch to secure that. And you have got your first little scallop. Continue to do that all the way around. Half double, down in the next hole, 2 double stitches in the same hole, half double in the next one, but you're decorating it to your own taste, to whatever you have. Just have fun with it. See the full video entitled Thrifty Scalloped Wreath, posting on Thursday.